Hey, what's up, everybody? Yesterday I made a video just talking about this trend that was going down in this channel, and then down here we broke out of it. I'm sorry about that. So if you guys notice, there's a triangle right here. Well, first, there's a triangle right here. You guys see this triangle? Alright, so it was working and it broke, came down. Okay, so that's how that broke. Oops. I hate when I do this. Alright, so yeah, you guys see that triangle. Now we created this triangle. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, you guys see that? Alright, in yesterday's video, we were about, I would say right here. Somewhere right here. And I had said if we break out of this triangle going up, we have a good chance of making these next targets at least. But it looks like it pushed past those targets. Okay, so that was that one, and then this was the next target. So that one was 111. The next target that it went up to was 113. So if you notice, this is still a trend line that's still active, hasn't broke it or anything. So this is what we're pushing right now. So yeah, so if you guys were following this video, you guys would have seen this triangle bust up. Yeah, so just make sure you guys subscribe and follow. That way you guys could keep up to date with these current price action videos and stuff like that. If you guys like when I make these ADA videos, just let me know. I can't know if anybody likes them if you guys don't like and subscribe. So make sure you guys are liking just to let me stay aware that you guys are watching these videos. I appreciate that. Alright, so let's see what we can do from here. Alright, let me get rid of this guy. Let me get rid of this guy. Let me get rid of this guy. We're probably done with him. Alright, so actually this being, yeah, we could easily touch that. So, so out of this triangle we popped out. And if you think about it, to the top of here is where pretty much. Alright, so let me get rid of some of these targets for right now. Just for the reason that we kind of already hit them. Let me see if I find any other patterns. So congrats to whoever took that trade from yesterday. Let me get rid of this guy. Alright, so this is pretty much like a supply and demand X that I make just by accident, but it's kind of letting us know that we're in a going upwards. So I guess the demand is going up while the supply is going up. Alright. Let's see, maybe something like this. Oh, look, that might work. Go from there to there. Maybe that line does bounce off it. So these finished under it. So I mean that could be a support. This guy, this green one, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this green, that's why if it bounces off of it, it couldn't get any higher. It came down, couldn't get any lower. So, I mean, kind of see if that works out. Even if not that, let's see. Actually, let me leave it. I did like that. Let's see. We'll probably follow this trend if anything. The RSI is already kind of high. The money flow is kind of high. So probably gonna make our way back down to this bar, I'm assuming. That was a good call though, just this triangle we had seen previous. Just make sure you guys are following and keeping up with all these videos. I'll make them if you guys keep watching. So I just like finding these patterns and stuff. So if I find these patterns for you guys and help you guys make money, then that's good. Alright. So I don't really see nothing besides this. Maybe I'm trying to really look for something, but I mean, now if you look at this triangle, there might be a triangle this way. Alright, so if that's the case, then like I said, this is a ascending triangle, which is this one up towards the top. So if we're working our way up, once it breaks this line, comes up, does a retest, then we're shooting up. So look at this triangle. Kind of just found it right now, just messing with the trend lines. So like I said, look at that, comes under that as support. So bounces off it, boom, boom. Comes under, boom, hits it up top. And then this last wick, boom, couldn't go any higher, so that looks like support. But while this RSI, let me see if I make it bigger. This is the RSI. So when we go up to the top, it could only go so high. It can't keep coming up. Like I said, it stops right here, it looks like. So once it hits that, that's pretty much the resistance. So now that it's going to come down, that's the selling pressure is going to ease up. Maybe not selling so much, but if there's not a lot of buying, it might just consolidate. So this actually might be the consolidation area, and depending which way we break is the way we're going to go. They always say though, whichever way the trend is going is the way. Don't be surprised if it keeps going that way. And what I mean by that is, if we were started way up here, it's only been down, even though we had some pumps. But look what happens after. Boom. Pump, pump, consolidate, pump. People getting happy. Boom. Consolidate, drop lower. And finally, if anybody bought down here, pumped them. Then it consolidates after. So, with that being said, we were up, we came down. This could be a pump up to, like I said, once, maybe, let's see. Alright, let's see, let me find some supports. So we already hit that. The next one will be 115. So if we push up past this 110 mark, actually we're at 110 right now. So if it goes past this 110 into 111, we're a good chance of hitting this 14. And then after that, the next one I guess would be 16. It's a little close, but like I said, those are going to be the supports and resistance. So, and then the next one above that will be 18. So those are the next few targets. If we're going downwards, I'm guessing The bottom would be towards 107. And if we hit that 107 and keep going down, the next one will probably be, it says 106, but yeah, it's not bad. I mean, it has to break that 106 to even make it any lower. So just 107, 106, 104 is the next few targets. So if this is a cement or ascending triangle, then like I said, when it usually bounces out of this going up, we're going to push up. But if it makes its way down and goes down, we're going to make our way down. And I believe we're in an overall downtrend. So, I mean, unless it's going to get back to the top, I don't think we're in a bull trend yet. So just be prepared for if we push up, we probably won't go too high. 116 may be the highest, because once we go past 116, we're creating new higher highs. So that would mean we're going up. But look at high, lower, 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 and then we finally broke out of it. So just like this one recently, lower, 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 broke out of it almost, came back down underneath where it was. Alright, so look, if we were to break this whole structure, this bottom could easily be 195. So, I mean, we could be, if we go back down, we could be reaching 195. So, just be aware of that. But yeah, alright, so yeah, that's a quick update for today. Just make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment. That way I know you guys are watching the videos and stuff. So, appreciate all 5 of my watchers out there, all 5 of you guys that are watching. Keep watching, and let's keep doing these charts. Alright, thanks.